How do we calculate the average calories for a person's BMR or basal metabolic rate? The calculation that is most often used is the Mifflin-St Jeor Equation. This is how you use it to calculate the basal metabolic rate. First, you take your weight in kilograms and multiply by 10. If you are an American and use pounds, you would change it to kilograms by taking pounds and dividing by 2.2. So a 180-pound person would be 81.8 kilograms. We took 180 pounds and divided by 2.2. Next, we will multiply that kilogram value by 10, giving us 818. Next, we take a person height in centimeters and multiply it by 6.25. You can find the conversion from inches to centimeters if you are an American user. If you are 65 inches tall, 5 feet 5 inches, you would take the total inches and multiply by 2.54. So our patient who is 65 inches tall would be 165.1 centimeters tall. You then multiply how tall you are in centimeters by 6.25, giving us the value 1031.9. Add that to the first calculation we made, which came out to 818, and so far we have 1850 when rounded. The third step is to take your age in years and multiply by 5. If you are 30, the calculation comes to 150. Now subtract this amount from the last number we had. This is 1850 minus 150, giving us 1700. Next, if you are a male, you add 5 to this number, and if you are a female, you subtract 161. Sarah is a female, so we subtract coming to 1539. The last step is to determine your activity level and choose the correct number to multiply the value by. Use the chart below to determine the level of activity. The more honest you are about this, the more accurate the basal metabolic rate will be. Sarah was lightly active, so we multiply the 1,539 calorie BMR by 1.375 and arrive at an estimated total daily calorie burn of about 2,116 calories. Remember, this calculation gives us an approximate measure of calories burned each day, but individual factors such as hormone disorders, genetics, muscle mass, or health conditions are not accounted for in this formula. Therefore, actual calorie needs can vary, and these estimates should be used as a starting point rather than an exact prescription. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help tailor recommendations for those with unique metabolic profiles and for safety.